Salam alaikum. I hope you all are doing great and keeping healthy. Now we begin with the part two, that is the writing part of the free response questions of grade 9 advanced term 1 end of term questions. We have six questions in total, and these are all to be written in details. So it's from question 16 to question 21. So please make sure don't just write the answer, you won't get full marks. You must write each step in detail. Now, the first question, that's the question 16 in the writing part, is to prove that equations are identities or have no solutions. Now, the questions will be like this. Now, if you do it in the calculator, what happens is you will get math error. You will get math error for both if it's an identity or no solution. I think so you might get for both. Anyways, we will check it in a while. But how do you do so, manually is very simple. Look here. What is the variable? Now here the variable is y, but the coefficient is -6 on both the sides. That means they're equal. They are in the other side of equal to. So let's take 1 to the other side. It becomes -6y plus 6y. Basically you're adding plus 6y on both the sides. -3 equals 3. This is taken to the other side. This cancels. You're remaining with -3 equals 3. Is this true? No, negative 3 and positive 3 are different. They are not the same. So this has no solutions. Why? Because this is a wrong equation what we have obtained. That's it. See, this is not equal. You can write it like this. See, not equal to. And therefore it has no solutions. Now, just to check the answer, we will try and calculate as well. But you must write this. Otherwise, there's no marks. But we will check answer by calculator. Now we will just type this given equation in the calculator, that is -6y. There is no y, we use x as the variable. -3 equals 3 minus 6 alpha x. Shift and solve. It, it takes us a few seconds and now it shows you it can't solve. That means it is having no solution because it's not equal to. Yeah, it's wrong, the equation what we obtained. There's no solution over there. Even over here, just by looking at this, I can say there is no solution. Why? Now, if you look carefully, see here, this is half multiplied inside will be half x plus half multiplied inside will be 3. Half times 6 is 3 equals half x minus 9. Now, this half and half cancels off because they are same side, other side of equal to. When you take it other side, it becomes minus and cancels, right? Now, is 3 equal to -9? No, it's not equal. So there are no solutions. Okay. And if you do it in the calculator, you will get can't solve as well. So this is no solution. And even over here, I think it's okay. Now this is an identity. We will solve this because this is a little different type, and we will check it in calculator as well. Now here you have 8q, okay, plus 12 equals 4 times 3 is 12 plus 8q. Now we know this 8q cancels. But look here, what happened? 12 equals 12. Yes, this is true. Isn't this correct? In such cases, this becomes an identity. That means it's true for all real numbers. Now here, it's identity. That's what you need to write. Okay, answer is identity, because now what we got is 12 equals 12. Now if you divide both the sides by 12, it becomes 0 equals 0. Yes, all the time it will be true. All the time this equation will be true. Now if you put it in the calculator, let's see what happens. 8 alpha x plus 12 equals 4 times 3 plus 2q. Close the bracket, shift and solve gives us, say it just gives us 0. Now the thing is, doesn't matter what equation, it'll just give you 0 as the answer, because this is true. This is a possible answer. 0 is true. You can even add both the sides by 1. 1 and 1. 1 equals 1. All possible solutions are true over here. All real numbers. So basically it's an identity. So then Please do try to solve the other problems by yourselves. They're just similar like that. All the solution is worked out over here. Whenever you get same answers equal to 0, 0 or 15, 15 or anything, it is equal to 21, 21 here. 15x and 15x cancels. In such cases, they're identities. If there is two different numbers like 48 minus 48, then they're not equal. That is no solution over here. Okay, so please be careful with this. Over here, the steps are mentioned. All the problems are just the same. It's either identity or no solution. There is no other answers, only two possible answers. Oh no, okay, I just thought that and then it was different. I thought it's only for identities or have no solution, but now let's look here. Let's solve this one quickly. It is 2a plus 2 equals 3a plus 6. Now, 3 is a bigger coefficient than 2, so 3 remains. 2 move to the other side and 6 to the other side. It will be minus 6 plus 2 equals 3a minus 2a. Now over here when we solve it, you'll get minus 4 equals a. The answer is there. The a value is only one specific answer. It's not identity, it's not no solutions. There is one exact solution, only one solution. Why? Because we found out a is equal to minus 4. Now, if you try this in calculator as well, you'll get this answer. Let's just double check it. Here, type the equation as it is. 2 alpha x plus 2 equals 3 times alpha x plus 2. Close the bracket, shift and solve. What's the answer? Minus 4. So here we have exactly one solution. That is the answer. And similarly, please see now this one cancels off and it is no solution because phi equals 0 is not true. Okay, what will happen? This and this cancels. It'll be phi equals 0, which is basically not equal to, therefore no solutions. And here also it's either identity or no solution. Why? Because when you multiply 7 times c, 7c, 7c cancels. And 7 times 9 is 63. So it's identity over here. They both are equal. 63 equal to 63 or 0 equals 0. That's identity. Now same way, please do solve the others. Here we have got one exact solution. You can see it has one solution, that is k is equal to half. We have over here no solutions because they are not equal to each other. And last problem over here, it's no solution here. Last problem, when you multiply it, you get an identity because they are equal to each other. And that's identity. Please make sure you write each problem. Don't just jump to the answer. You just can't write identity or no solution. No, it's not possible. Do these steps and then finally get to the answer.